count of three, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much.
Ano ba yun? Hindi siya nagsalot.
Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, what first? The ring. So when you get the ring, sea lion friend. And they got it. Round of applause for our sea lion friend. Great job, ladies. And ang dalawa, they're asking for it.
Palakpak daw sabi nila.
Okay, trainers, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Come on, ladies. Steady. Fantastic. Let's get work, ladies. This time, would you like to say that number from our sea lion friend? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance?
Yeah!
Well, music maestro.
Sasayaw sila, oh.
Sayaw yan?
Let's move it. And then clap your hands, everybody, come on. Now, don't get that side by side. And the people touching. Rock and roll like this. Into the water body. We get it turning. And around the world we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie. Shake, shake, shake. And after the part, the boogie shake. Shake those boogies. Come on, winners. And one. Keep on going. Okay, ladies, don't get what you want. Keep it in the crowd, spread your arm around, and this is the best part. Steady. Arriba. And for the finale. Ready? Let's go.
Oh, napanood mo ba? Nanonood ka ba o hindi?
Galing ng isang ma'am. Diba?
Palakpak daw.
And we also hope that even after you leave, we will take the experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land, it affects our pregnancy.